Welcome. I hope you will join me today in a short morning meditation. It's always good to start a day with a bit of a grounding, breathing, being present, perhaps setting an intention for the day. It really helps in being present for the rest of the day and also with just on our general mental health. And as today is a mental health day, I thought it will be a perfect meditation for us to simply practice mindfulness. We can start by sitting, lying down. Of course, if you wish, you can close your eyes. You can also keep them open. And I invite you to just take some deep breaths, a deep inhale, a long exhale, a resetting the nervous system. A deep inhale and a slow, long exhale. And as you're taking your breaths, start noticing the body's position in space, how the body is touching the surface you're on. Maybe feet are touching the ground, hands on your lap. Letting the body be heavy and relaxed to the extent it's possible. And just checking some typical places where we hold tension, relaxing the face, unclenching the jaw, letting the shoulders drop, arms be heavy, letting the belly to be soft and relaxed as you breathe in and out, letting it inflate fully with the inhale and then deflate with an exhale, relaxing all the muscles down the legs and noticing sensations in the feet and the hands. Is there any tingling, warmth, numbness? Whatever's present is okay. No need to change anything, just noticing. Letting the body relax. And then to quiet the mind as well, noticing for a moment just the breath, just the flow of the breath, the natural flow of air in and out without any controlling of it, just noticing. An inhale and exhale. Noticing the breathing while the body is relaxing further and the mind is quieting down, letting it happen naturally, no need to force it. And if the mind is busy, gets distracted, that's completely okay. It's normal. No need to be disappointed. Simply shift attention back to the breath, back to the body, to the present moment, kindly, with no judgment. Gentle shift towards the breath. Just breathing is enough. Just being is enough. You're just preparing for the day in a kind and gentle way. As your mind is perhaps a little bit more quiet now, maybe you wish to set intention for today. You can set intention for whatever you'd like to happen this day, for whatever way you would like to experience it, or who you would like to be. And perhaps you have an intention to be kind and gentle, open to new experiences. Whatever your day is like, whether it's busy or relaxed. Maybe you have a lot of plans, or not at all. Maybe you're spending it with the family and friends, or working. Set an intention that comes directly from your heart. Maybe one where you are the best possible you. Whatever the intention is, hold it kindly in the heart for a moment as you breathe in and out. And then slowly, before finishing meditation, open your awareness to everything that surrounds you, from the sensations of the body and breathing. Notice the sounds. Perhaps there's people already surrounding you. There's some other noises. Notice the smells. Maybe you're already brewing some coffee. Notice also your thoughts and emotions. Whatever's here is welcome. And slowly ready to start your day. And when you are, you can open your eyes if you had them closed. Start to move your body, maybe stretch. I hope you were able to set an intention for the day and perhaps can do so each day. It can be very helpful to us to start the day in such a calm and relaxed way. It helps us to live our lives in a more present and aware way. Thank you for joining me and have a wonderful day, whatever you're doing today. Goodbye.